Want to use Murf AI without paying? In this video, I'll show you how to create a free account, what you can actually use on the free plan, and a few tips to get the most out of it in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the Murf AI website and click the Sign Up button. You can register with your Google account or use your email address. After verifying your account, log in to access the dashboard. Once you're inside, create a new project. Depending on the current interface, you'll usually see a button to start a new voice project. Open it, then paste or type the text you want Murf AI to read. Next, browse the available AI voices. You can filter by language, accent, or speaking style. Click on different voices to preview them, then select the one that sounds best for your project. After choosing a voice, generate the narration and listen to the result. If something doesn't sound right, edit your text or try another voice. Small changes in punctuation or wording can noticeably improve the final speech. The free plan is great for testing the platform, but it does come with limits. Features, voice availability, export options, and usage quotas may change over time, so check your account for the latest details before starting a larger project. And that's how you can start using Murf AI for free in 2026. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out my other AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.